I'm Kellyanne from One Small Act of Kindness. We have a charity nursery school, we have a feeding scheme, we are a foster home and a place of safety, and we help various families and individuals in and around Joburg. So, to many people, fixing a cupboard and that is a small job, but with our household, it is quite a big job. And so we had cupboards fixed, leaking taps, ceilings fixed, painted, tiles fixed and painted. Having such a busy and big household, you overlook these little things that happen, and it makes quite a big difference. So yeah, it was a huge mountain that I thought wasn't possible in one day, but you guys did it. So thank you.